Hello and welcome everyone. Going to show here how to go to the main component through something that is really about to be satisfied, which is really to be important to deal with a better things. So that is really to be satisfied, which is really very important to deal with that. So we select all instances. You will click on the certain circle or a certain rectangle, and then starting with that, this will be about right here to instances. You can start to go to make a full component. Then as you can see, you will start right here to start to go for C and this. Maybe you can create another component like it. So I think we can start doing this component, and we can start to see go to main component. So this is really how we see, but it's really actually not the main component that we are sure about, like this, and that is all about.